We're on our way, and we're gonna make an S curve right here in front of the escalators and straight going around the corner. And you know what? They have a lot of new baby animals in the springtime. The baby animals are being born. There's lambs and chickies, rabbits, and monkeys over here at Build-A-Bear. Hey, let's make some animal sounds. Can you help me, Cade? Yeah, we could baa like a lamb. Baa, baa. Or meow like a kitty cat. Meow. Or make a monkey sound. And this is Happy's Hound Dog Express, so let's howl like an hound dog. Oh, oh.
Sound the dog thing.
And around the corner I see another animal. It's the Easter Bunny. Hiya, Easter Bunny. You can wave and smile at him. Hi there. You see the Easter Bunny, Cade?
Look that way, okay?
Well, you know what? When he and his helpers first got to the mall, they had a big job. They had to set up the cameras and the chair and the fences. And it was the Easter Bunny's job to take care of all of the eggs. He had to make sure none of them got broken or lost. And he counted 10 of each color until he got to the pink ones. And then, oh no, one of his eggs was missing. He couldn't smile without knowing where all of his eggs were. So he hopped around the mall to see if he could find it. He hopped over here to Body Central and Charlotte Russe and asked them, "Have you seen my pink egg?" They said, "Well, we've got some pink dresses and pink shirts and pink shoes, but no eggs." And he said, "I have to find my egg. It's got to be here somewhere. I won't give up. I won't." And he kept going. He stopped at Watches Plus and the Limited, but they hadn't seen any pink eggs. And then at Journey's Kids, he thought he saw something pink and shiny. It must be his eggs. No, it's a pink and shiny shoe. And Claire's has lots of shiny pink things, but no eggs. And he said, "I'm going to ask everybody and stop at every store until I find it." He looked in the door at Gift World, and there he saw something pink. Was that his egg? Oh no, it was a flower. And Stride Ride has lots of pink shoes and pink sandals, but no eggs, and neither does Build-A-Bear. Well, by now, poor Easter Bunny, he was getting so tired. He said he just had to find a place to sit down. So he decided he was going to go hopping back to his chair and rest a bit before he went and looked some more. So he hopped over to his chair, and it's a good thing he didn't sit down right away. He looked at the cushion, and oh my goodness, something was not right. He had a big bump underneath the cushion, and guess what it was? It was his egg. It was there all along, and now he's got it right by his favorite little chickie, and he's smiling for all the pictures. And thanks for listening to my story. Now, hold on tight, and please be seated, because we're going to make some hairpin turns right here in front of Dillard. Here we go. Woo-hoo. And in case you're wondering, our train is 7 months old. It was made in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, from Russian hardwood and powered by 8 car batteries. Gonna get you, Cade. Oh, they got away. And we only lose 4 inches of clearance from the front of the engine to the back of the caboose, so we can make all these snaky twists and turns. Miss Busy Shoppers, and that's our caboose. Here we come. We're gonna do it this time. Got away again. Man, I don't know if we'll ever catch that caboose. And can you believe it? They pay me to do this. Now the Easter Bunny has a lot of spring colors. There's pinks and blues, yellows and oranges. And so does Gumball Mountain have all those colors and more. But not to be outdone, up ahead we have wireless accessories, and they've got the colors in neon and animal prints. As we head down this straightaway, folks, hold on to your hats. We are going a boiler resting 3.7 miles an hour. And